From the moment you open the package, the Refoss P11S gives the impression of a product built with practicality in mind. There is no unnecessary presentation or gimmickry here. The experience is straightforward, focused, and professional, much like the device itself. Inside, you find only the plug and the documentation. What stands out immediately is the compactness. This is not one of those oversized smart plugs that blocks neighboring sockets or becomes awkward on extension strips. The P11S is clearly shaped for real European households, where space around wall outlets is often limited and multi-plug setups are common. Even before powering it on, it already feels like something you could deploy throughout an apartment or office without constantly fighting for space. The defining identity of the Refoss P11S is not just its compact design or its monitoring features. It is the fact that Refoss has embraced openness. This plug supports fully open API access through JSON-RPC 2.0 over HTTP, along with MQTT and webhook integration. That means it can become part of advanced custom automation environments without being trapped inside proprietary ecosystems. For Home Assistant users, this is particularly powerful. Integration through HACS is clean and modern, allowing the P11S to function as a native smart entity with full switching, monitoring, automation triggers, and energy reporting. The design is clean, minimal, and purpose-built. Its space-saving profile ensures that it fits neatly into wall sockets and extension strips without blocking adjacent outlets, which is a major practical advantage in everyday use. Despite its small footprint, this plug carries a serious electrical rating. With full 16-ampere support, it is capable of handling demanding appliances such as portable heaters, kitchen devices, fans, or other higher-load household equipment. This immediately elevates it above many smaller smart plugs that are best suited only for lamps or chargers. The single-button control and LED indicator system is also well implemented. The button logic is intuitive, offering simple toggling, configuration mode activation, and factory reset options without complexity. The LED behavior provides clear feedback about Wi-Fi status, connection health, and service availability, while also allowing the background light to be disabled for a more discreet presence in bedrooms or nighttime environments. The Refoss app experience with the P11S OpenAPI Smart Plug is clean, fast, and built for both everyday control and deeper monitoring. It shows real-time power usage instantly with clear day, week, and monthly energy tracking, plus tools like bill calculation and exportable history. You also get strong safety options, including overheating alerts with automatic power cutoff. What makes it stand out is open API support for Home Assistant and advanced integrations, turning the P11S into more than a smart plug. It's a flexible energy and automation